Hello everyone, my name is Beauty Ohomina. This is my social innovation presentation. I've been assigned to social business. So I've focused on an innovation done by a company named Delight. Delight is a for-profit solar company that provides light for more than 100 million consumers all over the world. They started this innovation since 2007, and the world is really benefiting from this innovation. What's the issue? What brought about this innovation? The issue is no access to reliable power supply. That's just the issue. No access to reliable power supply. So what's the new innovation for this? And the innovation is using solar panels to produce power at affordable prices. Consumers have a payment plan known as pay as you go, and so that's the innovation. People don't have reliable power supply, and so help them to have that. They have to get it at an affordable price and pay at their own convenience. And that is innovation and an everyday lantern for all. Learning lights used for students. Is the innovation here. Family lanterns serving all family. Solar appliances, portable chargers were all part of this innovation. And the impact for this innovation. What's the impact? More than 2 billion people around the world live without access to electricity. And so that barrier has been overcome with this innovation. Solar solutions are making clean energy products universally available and affordable, and so the solar is producing light. The issue of air combustion has reduced, noise pollution has reduced, and people are making use of clean energy. About 128 million people empowered. People now have jobs. This innovation are created jobs for more than 128 million people, like places in US, China, and other places. 800 people are employed at a regular basis, and that's amazing. And these the energy from this is renewable. You just use sunlight. It's like a free renewable source of energy. It's free, you don't have to pay for it. That's a great impact. Saving cost. About 4.6 million saved in energy related expenses. The price cost for buying fuel, diesel, for example, in this part of the world, in developing countries has drastically dropped, and people are now using solar to power their homes. School-age children is amazing for me. They can read. You have places people cannot really read because they don't have light. So students cannot study at any time because they have light all over. They can study. They have light to study. And billion productive hours created. One cannot make use of time wisely because you have access to light. Light is really a powerful tool, and has a great impact. This innovation has created measuring impact. Last 3 weeks I learned something about measuring impact. For a mission statement to have impact on people, 3 things has to be looked into. There must be a verb, the target audience, and the outcome. So the mission statement behind this innovation is transform lives with sustainable products. So the verb here is transform. Lives is the target audience, which represent people, and sustainable products is the outcome. And that's a powerful mission statement. So is something behind the measuring impact. Then successes. I just focus on the successes of this innovation. I love successes. Less failures. I research more successes from this innovation. The goal of the light was to create affordable lights for people. So in 2020, 100 million lives were impacted by solar technologies. And customers in developing countries now rely on renewable solar products. That's what everyone relies on now. Solar. And that's a good innovation. And today, the light offers various types of solar-powered appliances, including television, fans, and smartphones. And in April 2018, the light successfully raised 50 million in funding from European Investment Bank. There were about 5 banks. And they funded their innovation and for them to produce more new appliances for solar home system, and for them to be able to provide finance for the pay-as-you-go solar system products to millions of additional consumers. Wonderful innovation, but there's always room for improvement. Recommendations for improving social innovation. Chargers should be created for laptops. I didn't notice that chargers for laptops. The chargers available are mainly for phones. And creating for laptops will enhance learning of online students. I think they should take a look at that. If I live in a developing country, I know what that means. And there should be a platform for feedback on the durability of the products. Their platform for testimonials, talking about the products. The durability should be laid emphasis on so that they will know how they can improve their services and their products. Recommendations for scaling social innovation. The company should make the product widely available to most developing countries to create more awareness of their products. Partnering with local wholesalers will create a chain for retailers that will let the product reach remote areas. There are still places that don't really know of this product, and so they should take a look at that and see how they can reach everyone in the developing countries, because it's a need. Light over here is a need, and so they should take a look at that and see how they can really measure their the product areas it has reached, and see how they can focus on areas that are lagging behind. And these are my sources. I was able to read from these wonderful books to know more about this company. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you learned some things from my innovation presentation. Thank you so much, and bye.